This is a drawing of the outer surface of the left side of the brain. The right side is basically just a mirror image of the left. Although not immediately apparent, we can see 4 separate lobes that each specialize in different functions while also working together as a whole. Certain landmarks help us to roughly see where the lobes begin and end. These include the central sulcus, the lateral fissure, and the parieto-occipital sulcus. These divide the brain into the frontal lobe, the parietal lobe, the occipital lobe, and the temporal lobe. The frontal lobe houses the primary motor cortex, which is involved with voluntary movement. It also is responsible for cognition, such as reasoning, planning, abstract thinking, as well as personality. The parietal lobe houses the primary sensory cortex. It has to do with sensations, such as pain, touch, and temperature. The occipital lobe is involved with visual stimuli. It perceives and interprets what we see. Finally, the temporal lobe is involved with auditory processing and smell. It perceives and interprets sounds and smells. Although each lobe has its specialty, they all come together to help us perform as optimally as possible.